and welcome back. My name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video we're going to talk about a crucial aspect of data hygiene in Salesforce, which is about merging duplicate records. Keeping your data ensures accuracy and improves your team's overall efficiency. And when you're done checking out how to keep your data pristine, we've got a video at the end that shares other things that you and your team can do to increase results while reducing spending on Salesforce. It includes a new program that pays you rebates on your annual licenses, which you can reinvest in training and consulting. So check out the link at the end, How to Maximize Salesforce, and we'll get started. So first, from your Salesforce homepage, click on the Contacts tab. This will take you to your list of contacts, and it's useful to use list views to identify potential duplicates from a high-level perspective. So on the left side of the page, under the list view section, you can see there are two duplicate contacts with the same name and the phone number. I'm going to click one of these records, and Salesforce is going to tell me that it thinks it's a duplicate record for this contact. Now you'll also see a link called Merge Contacts there. I'll go ahead and click that, and this is where Salesforce helps you identify and combine duplicate records. Now a new screen will appear prompting you to find duplicate contacts. You can use various criteria to search for potential duplicates, such as contact name or email or phone. And you'll enter those search terms and then click the Find Duplicate button. Salesforce will then present you with a list of records that it thinks are duplicates. Now carefully review this list of potential duplicates. Once you've identified a group you want to merge, select up to 2 contacts within that group by checking the boxes next to them. You can merge 2 or 3 records at a time. After that, click Next. Now, this is the most important step. On the next screen, you'll see the contact record you selected displayed side by side. You need to choose one of these records to be a master, which means that this record will be kept and all the other records will be deleted. Now to choose the master, simply click that radio button above the one that you prefer. Now below the master record selection, you'll see all the fields from all of the duplicate records, and you'll want to select the fields that you want to keep. So Salesforce will highlight any differences between the records, and you must select the value that you want to keep. So if one has an old phone number and one has a new phone number, select the one with a new phone number. Remember, all related lists like activities and opportunities, those will all be merged into the new record. Now, once you've meticulously reviewed all the fields and you've selected your desired values, click the Merge button. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking you to confirm the merge. Read it carefully and then click OK to proceed. Salesforce will then process the merge and redirect you to the new detail page of your newly updated master record. You'll see that it now contains all the information, the related lists from the selected records, and they've now been merged into one. The duplicate records have been deleted, and you now have a much cleaner database for that contact. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to merge contact records in Salesforce, which is a vital skill for maintaining data quality. This skill will also help you boost your productivity and master other things in Salesforce. But we've just scratched the surface. We've got some other videos in the description and at the end of the video that includes links to our Salesforce user training playlist, as well as a 5-minute video that you can watch that will share 3 strategies on how we help you increase results and reduce Salesforce license costs. It involves a new program called OSP, which allows you to generate rebate dollars on your Salesforce licenses that you can use for training and consulting. Please see the How to Maximize Salesforce video at the end, and spend a few more minutes of your precious time with us, and we'll help you take Salesforce to a whole new level. And there you have it. You successfully learned how to merge contact records in Salesforce, which is a vital skill for maintaining data quality. Mastering these skills will significantly boost your productivity. Now we've just scratched the surface. On the screen and in the description, I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist. I've also included a 5-minute video that will share 3 strategies that we use to increase results and reduce Salesforce license costs through a new program called OSP. This video shares a new way to get rebate dollars from your annual Salesforce licenses that you can use for training and consulting. Please see How to Maximize Salesforce in the links and spend a few more minutes of your precious time with us, and we will help you take Salesforce to a whole new level in your company. Finally, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.